Okay, here's the Maiden Edge 540. Hopefully this works. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Okay, let's try take two. Got it up. Wanted to nose down hard and I wanted to bank right hard. So set some changes up and see what that gets us. Do a little bunny hop here first. Ah, man. Still wants to go down hard. I'm going to reset some CG here and see what that gets us. CG balanced out good, but where it says on the specs, but she wants to nose in hard, so. Okay. Try three. Not sure if I bent up the nose enough where it's got more down thrust and it's pulling it down or not, but we shall see. And that is that. We ended up splitting the side loose. So, it's home for repairs. But I got it in the air a couple times. And there's video for proof, so we shall leave it at that.